Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the surface paint ready. Remove furniture, degrease the floor, and fix cracks so the paint bonds. Once the patching compound cures, sand and wipe away dust. Make sure the floor is bone dry. Now tape edges and vents, and prime any bare concrete or porous wood with a floor primer to improve adhesion. Then mix your floor paint according to the label. Get your roller and brush ready. Begin cutting a 2-3-inch border before rolling the main area. Once you have a primed floor and cut-in edges, pour paint into a tray and fully saturate the roller, no dry streaks. Work in manageable 4-6-foot sections. Lay down a W pattern, then fill it in with parallel passes to flatten texture. Keep a wet edge by slightly overlapping each pass. This prevents visible seams. After each section, inspect for drips and lightly backroll edges to blend the brushwork. Let the first coat dry the recommended time before assessing coverage and deciding on a second coat. For the final phase, inspect after the first coat dries and apply a second for even coverage. Remove masking tape while the paint is slightly tacky to leave a clean edge. Make sure to ventilate while curing. Wait the full cure time before subjecting the floor to heavy use. Light traffic after 24 hours, heavy after the recommended cure. If you see bubbles or peeling, stop. Sand the area smooth, clean thoroughly, prime the spot, and recoat with a paint compatible with the existing finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.